Okay, so here's the thing, guys. Let's say you're in the ramp, the slippery ramp, and if you remember, you put that emergency brake, but that's only locking the rear wheels of your truck, not the front. So if the rear wheels are in the slippery area, real close to the water, and they start to slide, the front wheel is just going to roll, right? So what the brake suppressor does, and this is used by a lot of guys that do state inspections to check the lights, the back lights of the car. When you put this between the brake pedal and the steering wheel, it's like a club, and you can use it just like you would use a caulking gun. You press the trigger to tighten it against the steering wheel, and you depress this to let it go, just like a caulking gun. It's a pretty good invention. I got it at Amazon. So when you put this against the brake pedal and the steering wheel, it locks those front tires. So now between the emergency brake and this brake suppressor, you've got 4 wheels locked on that ramp. You can tell by looking at your stoplights, they'll be on. So you press it in, you press the pedal, squeeze it like a caulking gun against the steering wheel, and the brake's engaged. Now all 4 wheels are locked. I feel better. I highly suggest this to all the boaters out there. I have seen many fails. I was watching videos from Alfred Montaner in Miami. It's about ramp fails, and it looks funny sometimes, but it really does. It's not. When you see your $60,000 truck go into the water. And so I highly recommend this. I'm going to put a link in the description of where you can get it. I got mine on Amazon, and I'll tell you, it's a truck saver, guys. All right, short video. Just wanted to give you a tip, and hopefully I'll be back in the water soon. I'm feeling really good. Still got a little pneumonia from the COVID, but it's cold here in East Texas, so I'm gonna err in the side of caution and wait until I'm fully recovered to go out there. So hey guys, like I always say, thanks for subscribing. I hope you like the channel. Leave me a comment or any questions. If you like it or not, just let me know. And like I always say, the G-Man from Texas saying, peace y'all.